So, you've been sweating over a new project for months, you finally push it to a staging server for some testing, and boom! The next morning, Google has indexed your half baked raw version instead of the live site. Or even worse, your client finds those nasty bugs before you even had a chance to fix them. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your dirty laundry from prying eyes using engines. Method 1: Basic authentication. This makes sure every uninvited guest gets a login pop up right in their face. First, add this line to your config. You can see it on your screen. The first line is enable basic use and send pop up message. And the second one, here is where the password file goes. But for engines to understand your super secure password, it needs to be hashed and stored in a special file, usually called .htpass. Okay, you see on your screen. Now we have two paths here. If you're a Docker server, meaning you have no goal, only path, you use Docker. Why bloat your server with extra packages when we can spin up an entire container just for one line of hash? Here is the command. The utility runs inside a temporary container, but thanks to this little arrow, the ready-to-use htpassword file will be created right on your server in your current direction. Just don't forget to manually move it to this folder later. But if you're a normal human being and don't want to dance with tambourines, just install the utility directly on the server. For Ubuntu Debian, you can use this command and then generate the file exactly where it belongs by this command. The system will ask you to enter the password twice and you're good to go. Next, do your Nginx virtual host config and add these two lines inside the location blocks. Check the config with this command and reload Nginx with this command. Method 2: Close the window. This is perfect if your team has a static API in their office or you're using a corporate VPN. No password involved. We're using the allow and deny directives like this. And don't you dare think you can place these lines randomly. Engines read these rules top to bottom. So write all your L rules first and put deny all at the very end. So your company is huge, basically Amazon, and you got an international team where half of the people are in the office and the other half are working from home. Nice. Honestly, if you're that big, your DevOps should handle this already. But since you're sitting here wasting your work hours and watching my guides, here is how you build a hybrid. The magic directive is satisfy any. It tells Nginx, let the user in if at least one condition is met. I usually stick with method number 1, but you should use whatever fits your team workflow best. Don't be a cheapsticks with the likes at the end. And if you're not feeling too lazy, drop a comment and tell me how you secure your own staging servers. That's it for now. See ya!